Each consultant's story is different, and yours will be too. That's what makes the Thermomix business opportunity so unique. We empower thousands of talented and passionate individuals to take their careers into their own hands. There are many benefits to being a consultant, but one thing they all have in common is our consultants gain knowledge and they have a desire to share the love of Thermomix every day.
I started my Thermomix business because I felt something was missing when I retired.
I had been a stay-at-home mum for a number of years and I was finally ready to do something for myself again.
Earning extra money for family holidays and experiences.
My biggest achievement is building my share portfolio of more than $50,000.
Was selling 40 Thermomixes in just 1 month. It was a crazy busy month, but it was so much fun.
It's qualifying for ThermoFest every year. Who doesn't love a free holiday?
Through starting my Thermomix business, I learned how to cook.
We've learned so much about ourselves professionally and personally.
It's learning from so many experts across so many industries.
I learned how to build a social media presence with great content.
What I love most about being a Thermomix consultant is how incredibly rewarding it is. I feel like Santa all year round.
We love meeting like-minded people and being part of the Thermomix community.
It's all the friends I've made along the way, some of which have become my closest.
I earned this.
I earned this.
I earned this.
So many gorgeous kitchen gadgets.
No matter why you start or what keeps you here,
We all have one thing in common.
We use our Thermomix
Every day.
Where does your story begin in our business of serious enjoyment? Check out how easy it is to get started. The only thing to do now is to say yes. Say yes to a chat. You never know where it might take you.